Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Dogecoin holders. After a long time, I'm talking about Dogecoin. That what surprise changes occur in the Dogecoin. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, ABS Tech channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more update and news videos, guys. At this time, guys, the latest price of Dogecoin in the market is about 0.225388 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of baby Dogecoin in the market. Other side, guys, if we talk about the changes update of Dogecoin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes is about positive. Very good changes, unbelievable, guys. I'm really love Dogecoin in the right now situation, guys. Furthermore, if we talk about the last 1 week changes, so negative 10.45% negative changes occur. And the market rank is a 10th of Dogecoin in the market. So you know what? My prediction is also positive about Dogecoin. And you know what? To the last of October, Dogecoin will continue this type of positive changes, guys. What do you think about that? What's your opinion? Please also share your opinion, your feelings in the comment box, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.